Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay videos in CapCut PC. So I want to overlay these musical notes on top. I'm just going to select it and I'm going to add it above the video. To blend that in, go to the blend mode and select the opacity that suits your video the most. Maybe this darkened one like this. You can use any blend mode there is, but if the background is like black, for instance, you're going to want to use either screen or brighten. And for the white background, you're going to select darken, like this. And if it's like a green screen overlay per se, like this one, just select remove background, chroma key, select the color picker, and select the green area and adjust intensity here. And that is it for this video. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.